Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to complete code.org lesson 6, level 6, and we're going to make a page with two different types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. So let me share my screen so you can see what I'm seeing here. So as I mentioned, we are on lesson 6, level 6 right here. And if you look at the instructions at the top of the page, it says to basically create this page how it looks up here in this little image that I'm circling over with my mouse. So what that entails is A, making an unordered list here with bullet points, and B, making an ordered list here with numbers. So this is a great review from the beginning of the lesson. And this is a recipe page, so it's a great example of a situation where we would include both types of lists on a page. So I'm going to collapse my instructions here so you can see my code a little bit larger. And the first thing I want to do is just take a look and see, what I already have. So I have headings. It looks like I have just my text in there, my ingredients, and the steps, but no actual code here over where the list should begin. So because, and it showed us this up in the instructions, this should be the unordered list because, of course, recipe ingredients don't really need to be in any type of order. So let's do that step first. When we're making an unordered list, we always want to start with the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. And let me see if I can go a little bit bigger here. Okay, so the UL tag stands for unordered list. Notice here when I put my UL tag, I have pink code at the bottom of the page. That's because code.org is looking for the closing tag as well. So I'm going to add a space here underneath canned sauce, and I'm going to add the closing UL tag. And now that we've done that, we can see that this list has indented over, but we don't yet have bullet points and there's no separation, line separation between the ingredients. So that's why we need the LI tags. Remember, LI stands for list item. So I'm going to put my opening and closing LI tags. And notice when you put both, it indents that code over and starts to add the bullet points next to the ingredient, which is exactly what we want. Okay, so this list is complete. We have 3 ingredients with 3 bullet points next to it. And now we have to take care of this list here down below, which is an ordered list. So the first thing we need to do in order to create an ordered list is we need to put in the ordered list tag, which is OL. OL stands for ordered list. And notice here down below, we have pink code with our closing tags because code.org is looking for a closing tag for OL and it can't find it. So I'm going to put that right there on line 19. And it indented everything, but it did not create that line separation, and it did not put numbers yet. Remember, we don't have to add numbers here to make it an ordered list. All we have to do is add our list item tag or our LI tags. So, and this is actually really helpful when you're actually making a list in HTML and you need to go back and change it, then you don't need to renumber everything. So it's really helpful to just use the LI tags. And once we start doing that, we get our numbers over here. So we have 4 steps with 4 numbers next to it. And we didn't need to add any numbers here in our code to get these numbers over here. So this is all you had to do for level 6. And you want to make sure that when you do your screenshot, you include your name up here and the particular level you're on. You want to collapse the instructions and you want to take a screenshot of all of this so that I can see both your lists and your code for this particular assignment. So I want to be able to see lines 8 through 19 and also your lists over here. So if you guys have any questions about this particular assignment, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much, everybody.